Hey all, Alex with Tech Corner here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Travel Pro Platinum Elite suitcase I just got yesterday. I usually provide tech tips, but also when I'm having to travel with all my tech gear, I want a really good suitcase that's going to be reliable and that's going to work for me and can store all my stuff, my carry-on. So this is definitely a carry-on bag. I had a briefcase in the past and I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit because my briefcase only had 2 wheels and this has the 4 wheels, which is really great for traveling, and then you can put your backpack on top, saves your back, which is really nice, especially when you're going through airports and stuff. So this is the Elite. This basically comes with a lifetime warranty, which is really great. It is a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. I stumbled upon Travel Pro for my parents, and also I realized that a lot of the flight crew always travel with the Travel Pro, so this is kind of like the standard for traveling. This is fabric based, so it's definitely not a hard case. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is where you can actually store your battery, which is really neat. The only downside I don't like about this is this USB-A. But you can always get a little adapter to for USB-C batteries. Now if I flip on the back, this is really nice. I just don't know why they didn't do it for the A, but you actually have a USB-A and a USB-C port here, which is really nice. So that's actually an improvement because my old one was just USB-A. So I'm glad they're slowly doing it, but I'd rather have had the inside also USB-C, but oh well. Alright, so you got your basic pocket here, which is really nice. Just nice for little dot kits or travel passport, which is really nice. And then from here, let me lay this down. You're going to be able to see, this is really nice. You got 4 nice big pockets here. You got a little thing for your keys. You got a pen holder. You got a spot for like a tablet. It would definitely won't fit a 13-inch, but it probably would fit a 10-inch tablet in here just fine. And then let's go ahead and open up the big compartment and see what's inside that. So one nice thing is you can see it doesn't kind of open up all the way, but if you actually, there's little clips you can unclip here. Right here. So that way your suitcase doesn't fall out if you don't want it to, which is really nice. And it's Velcro, so it's a little bit more secure. But then you can actually put an actual laptop in here, which is really nice. And then you just have a big cargo area for all your equipment in here. So this is the Travel Pro Premier Elite suitcase with a lifetime warranty. Really great suitcases. I've had them for a very long time. They last forever, no issues, and absolutely love them. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a like. If you're interested in further content from this channel or want to support it, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.